get to come to class, do science, not just read about it, actually do it. And those opportunities are so limited usually. So this is really, really special. So the reason I applied for this grant is because I teach dual credit biology 101 here. Goal is to bridge the gap between high school and college. And one thing that the college has that we never had access to were these skulls. I was so happy when I received word that they accepted it. And I could not wait to get back to my classroom and tell my students, hey, we are gonna actually have these skulls to work with. They're life size, they're accurate. It's as if you just dug them up as a paleontologist. That is way too cool. It's so neat. I have more students sign up for dual credit biology than I ever have. There's about 50 students this year, enough for 2 sections. We have never had that before. And one of the reasons is because they've heard about this. Like, oh my gosh, you get to work with actual skulls. You know, these are the kinds of experiences students are looking for. They want those experiences. And to be able to show the community, look at the things that we get to do. We get to do in-depth lab work, inquiry-based lab work for STEM classes. And that's priceless that our students have those opportunities, and it has been so rewarding, and the students appreciate it. They love it. They're so excited, and it just makes science more exciting.